Hey everybody, Jay here and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today's video features a power hour, so without further ado, let's get started with the video.
I might go too fast. I don't care about those limits, 'cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before. I might go too fast. But suddenly I feel so rich, though I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip, no. I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me?
Well, I hope everyone has had a fantastic start of the year thus far.
So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Don't wanna go too fast, 'cause I know that people get scared sometimes. Hope it's not this time, 'cause I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich, though I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip, no. I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I know we just met, but it feels like I know you. We love the same things. You want a house in Malibu. Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Cause I've been thinking about you.
So let me know in the comments, have you tried a power hour before? If so, how many times a month do you attempt to do your power hours?
I don't know where you came from. I don't know what you did to my heart. You touched my soul like a phantom, and you did it right from the start. Like nobody is watching what we're doing. Like nobody is watching us. Like nobody is judging while we're dancing. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we with you, I don't need the contest. Like nobody is judging while we're dancing. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. Follow you, the only thing I want to do. Through everything we step into, we're dancing till we get lost.
Alright you guys, so I didn't finish everything that I set out to do because I wanted to clean a little bit more, but what can you do within an hour? You can try and do your best. That's all you can do, right? Especially when you are low motivation like I was today. I really didn't feel like doing it, and I was like, you know what? Let's do a power hour. I finished most of the kitchen, the main bathroom, and I started a load of clothes. I'm just saying, that's how you do it. That's how you do it. Well people, I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Be sure to leave me a comment to let me know what you think. Subscribe to my channel if this is the type of content that you like. Give me a thumbs up because it really helps my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.